Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of y as in yo-yo. Now we will see some of the examples. Y says y as in yacht. Y says y as in yak. Y says y as in yam. Y says y as in yard. Y says y as in yard. Y says y as in yarn. Y says y as in yellow. Y says y as in yes. Y says y as in yield. Y says y as in yo-yo. Y says y as in york. Y says y as in yuck. Now we will see the initial position. Y says y as in yacht. Y yacht. Y says y as in yak. Yak. Y says y as in yam. Yam. Y says y as in yard. Yard. Y says y as in yarn. Yarn. Y says y as in yawn. Yarn. Y says y as in yellow. Yellow. Y says y as in yes. Yes. Y says y as in yield. Yield. Y says y as in yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y says y as in yolk. Yolk. Y says y as in yuck. Yuck.